I think the best thing that I would like to say about that, or the first thing I'd like to say, is that what's unique about CPG is that we're in fast-moving consumer goods. And what does that mean? It means that 52 weeks a year, we get to address our consumers as well as our customers. We get to experiment, we get to learn from the experience of experimenting. What does that mean, or what is the call for action for salespeople, or for the sales side of the organization? Well, it means going to the retail trade informed with data and insight that retailers can use collaboratively with their trading partners. What does that mean? Well, who is the consumer for Kraft or Procter or Colgate or any other number of other fast-moving consumer goods? How does the behavior of that consumer, how do we orient them with either price or packaging? How do we put the product on the shelf? How do we help the retailer actually expand their portfolio, not just at the cost of other competitors that you might be having, but to each other's needs? So that's the call to action for the sales organization. Interestingly enough, it's not too different for marketeers, with the exception of one thing. Today's brand marketing divisions have to address consumers directly, and they're in a changing environment in which mass media has become disaggregated. It's no longer we're no longer able to sell directly to consumers with television, radio, and print as the only way to increase brand equity. We have to use things like word of mouth and social networking. So the marketeer right now is faced with a whole series of opportunities to address consumers, and they're learning from that experience. Through that experience, they will be bringing that information to the sales organization and directly to the retail trade in order to benefit both entities. So I would say then, in total, marketing and sales work together to work with their customers, the retail trade, even as these major brands address the needs of consumers. That's the future, and that's the present.